Hello there, welcome to the Gist Unplugged TV Live. On the Gist today, we bring you highlights of the 14th Headies held on the 21st of February 2021. Let's check out details. The 14th edition of the Headies held on Sunday, 21st February 2021, and as expected, so many Nigerians anticipated the award as they also moved to cheer their favorite celebrities to victory. Despite the COVID-19 pandemic, Headies still held, with celebrities stepping out looking dapper, from Nancy Simet to Desmond Elliott, as well as Lilia Fair to Yabo Ojo. Also spotted on the red carpet was BB Niger's Wathoni V, as well as Toby Bakari. And the opening performance for the night had so many people in awe, as the Headies dedicated the opening performance to shedding light to some of the issues in Nigeria, using the music of Fela to talk about oppression and of course freedom. It also highlighted some of the challenges in Nigeria at the moment, as well as the need for unity. Well, to the business of the day, and that is the various award winners at the Headies. Let's check out some of them. The award of Best R&B Single, presented by Maya Tafo and Yabo Ojo, was won by FireboyDML for the song Tattoo. The second award presented for the night was the Best Recording of the Year, and this award was won by Brimo. Following that was the award for Best Video, which was won by Davido for 1 Milli. Also winning an award for the night for the producer of the year was Mr. Falz with the song Billionaire by Tenny.
Producer of the year goes to Falz for Billionaire by Tenny. I wanna be a billionaire, billionaire. I wanna be a billionaire.
Also, Niniola won an award for the Best Vocal Performance Female with the song Addicted.
Niniola, Addicted.
But I want to say thank you to God, thank you to my family, thank you to my mothers, three of them, Olayinka, Gladys, and Margaret. Thank you to my Kalindika, my manager and my business partner. Thank you to the fans. Thank you, SARS. Thank you, Nigeria. Thank you, South Africa. Afro House leaves, you know.
And the winner is Praiz Under the Sky.
Good evening, everybody. First of all, I'd like to say a big thank you to God for His blessings. I'd like to say thank you to the Headies, to the judges, to my fans, to my family, to my friends, to my label, Extreme Music, Cicada Music. Thank you very much. I love you guys. Ladies and gentlemen, and the winner is Bad Boy Teams. Load ding 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 ding. Osu, Ogo, Odio, Bad Boy Teams in the building. Big shout out to Headies. Big shout out to my fans. I call them the Shockwave because we are shocking them all year, everywhere. And I would like to say my album is dropping this year and it's going to be one I can't explain. Thank you so much, thank you so much, thank you so much, I appreciate it. And the winner is Nobody by DJ Neptune featuring Joeboy and Mr. Easy. Wow. I'm sure you guys are shocked I came back from there. We're meant to do something, but a big shout out to everyone that made this possible, to my family, to God, to my late dad. I know you never wanted me to do this, but I know right now you're proud of what's happening in my life. And to all the fans that voted, shout out to the organizers of Headies Award. I appreciate you guys. God bless you. And the award goes to Ladipo featuring Simi. It feels so good, don't you agree? It feels so good, it feels so good. You guys, it's amazing to stand up here right now. I want to say a big thank you to the Headies, of course, but God first in all things. And big shout out to everybody that was in that category with me. It was a very heavy category. Oh my goodness. I also want to say a big thank you to my team, to the fans. Big shout out to my director of A&R. She convinced me to put out that song. She said the world needs a song like this right now. You know, thank you very much. But I want to dedicate this award right here to Fumilayo Esho Williams. She passed away on January 7th, February 7th. My auntie. She always told me it was my time, even though God took her before hers. This award is for you. Thank you very much.
Okay. And the award goes to I Wonder by Mologo.
What's good, everyone? Good evening. To be honest with you, I didn't expect this because yeah, it's been a rough journey. But I was gonna say this award goes to everybody. You know, from outside London, wherever you're from, like, don't let anybody tell you can't do nothing. You can make impact anywhere. Just be yourself. Like, just be yourself, man. Thank you guys. Thanks to my fans, Mo Army. God bless Nigeria, man, for supporting me regardless of not being in the country. Thank you so much. God bless.
And the winner is Falz featuring Miss Banks.
I see myself on the camera. Oh, they look sweet. How's everyone doing tonight? Big thank you to the Headies. Big shout out Miss Banks. Big shout out to Chills who produced this record. Big shout out to the entire Bad Guys family. From Sorry in the building, Jay in the building. Thank you very much, everyone. I appreciate this. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Back again. Second award tonight. Feels good. This album changed my life, and I'm glad it changed the life of others too. I'm grateful to the team, to God, Headies, everybody. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.
Roots, Cavemen.
Madu. He was a big one for us. Thank everybody, man. We can't now. All praise to the Most High. All thanks to my mom, for our mom, my brothers. And this is for high life. This is for our ancestors. This is for God. And this, man, Like, you can only get better from here, man. Thank you guys so much. Man.
You can